Data on its own can be overwhelming, but turn it into a clean, engaging chart, and suddenly the story clicks. The problem? Making great charts usually means wrestling with complicated tools or spending hours tweaking the tiniest details, but not anymore. With Ninja Charts, you can go from raw data to interactive visuals in minutes. No coding, no stress. Here's a quick tip before we dive in. Your chart isn't just decoration, it's communication. Highlight what matters. Keep it clear and your audience will get it instantly. Now let's jump in and create some stunning visuals with Ninja Charts. So to get started, the first and foremost thing we need is the Ninja Charts add-on. So at the left side, you'll see this charts option. Go for it and you can enable it from here. Once we have enabled it, we can see a welcome page. Let's get started with making the chart. We will go with Create a New Chart button. So as you can see, a few steps can be seen on the screen to get started with making and customizing the chart that we will make. The first step is the name of the chart and the way the chart is to be rendered. So let's give our chart a name. Okay, now let's choose the render type. I'm gonna go with Chart.js and a ton of chart types just appeared. So for today, let's proceed with line chart. As you can see, you have plenty of options, and the options are almost endless. Okay, so as I chose the line charts option, now we will proceed with next. And as you can see on my screen, I have to provide a source. For the source of data, we're using Ninja Tables. And for the actual data, we'll pick one of our pre-built tables that we want to turn into a line chart. Now, as we keep going, from the date range, we have to select the columns we want in our chart. Let's set the number of items. You can easily select all of this with the Select All button or just go with the ones that you need. You can even drag and drop if you want, by the way. So I'll go with these data. Now, I will set the number of items and then the order of the data. You also will have the option to put date ranges if your chart needs it, and the item range picker as well. Ninja Charts is here serving us whatever needs to be in our charts. Okay, so I'm done with setting all of this up. Next, formatting and preview. So this is where the fun starts. Alright, let's tweak this chart together. First, the chart button. With this, we get to pick the type of the chart we want. Bar, line, pie, whatever fits the vibe. We can also tweak the size, set a background, and even make the chart responsive. Next up, series. Think of this like your data's outfit. We can style each series with different colors, choose line styles, stack the data, all that good stuff. Then, there's axis. This is where we control the X and Y axis. Whether it's values, dates, or categories, we get to pick. And yep, we can customize the ticks, labels, even the grid lines. Now onto title. Here's where we set the chart's name, center it, align it, play around with fonts and colors to make it stand out. Tooltip is where the fun starts. We're talking hover effects. When someone hovers over a bar or point, this is what pops up. We can format it however we want, even add symbols or extra data. Let's move to legend. This is like a mini guide to your chart. We can show it, hide it, move it to the top, bottom, left, right, you're in charge. Then we've got layout. This helps us adjusting spacing, padding, margins, basically fine-tune how everything sits together. And finally, animations. This is where we add some flair, choose how the chart loads, add a little bounce or fade, give it some personality. Basically, whatever feels right for our chart, we'll test it, adjust it, and make it ours. So after getting done with the formatting, save it and move to the next step. And boom! Ninja Charts gives us a ready-to-use shortcode right away. All we have to do is copy that shortcode and paste it wherever we want on our site, inside a page, a blog post, or even a widget. Wherever it goes, the chart shows up instantly, looking exactly the way we designed it. So for today, let's paste it on a page. Alright, okay, now let's go for preview. Voila! Here's my chart just the way I want it. Love how easy it was. And that's it. In just a few clicks, we've turned a regular data table into a dynamic, visually engaging chart without touching a single line of code. Whether it's for a blog post, a dashboard, or any part of your site, Ninja Charts makes the data look mesmerizing. So go ahead, play around with the styles, test out different chart types, and see what fits your content best. And hey, if this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe to WP Manage Ninja for more smart tutorials just like this.